So you might be wondering if it's a good idea to overclock the Wittercop bicycle saddle with, more batteries, more than just 118-650. Watch this video to find out. This might be a little hint though. Yeah, I think you'd be a bit warm sitting on that. Yeah. Yeah. It's fairly safe to say you shouldn't overvolt the Wittercop bicycle saddle on 8S. It's a bad idea, people. Don't do it. Or imagine sitting on that. Oh dear, that'll make your eyes water. See you later.